The 2023 Vauxhall Corsa combines agile performance and modern design, ideal for city life. With electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors for optimal rear visibility and an automatic headlight control system for enhanced safety, the Corsa is designed to make every drive efficient and secure. Step inside to enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity and electronically protected audio equipment for secure sound enjoyment. Call or visit Hendy Vauxhall Poole today to schedule your test drive of the 2023 Vauxhall Corsa. Speak to our team about paint protection, tire and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.